Today we are in the southwest of Las Vegas. We're at the community of Timber Trails built by Richmond American. And if this is your first time to the channel, you want to know everything there is about new build homes in Las Vegas, then consider subscribing and tap that notification bell. All right, right in front of us is floor plan Seth. Base price is $581,950. This is a 4-6 bedroom. It's a 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, and it's a 3-car garage. Average lot size is 5,000 square feet. Average upgrades is 15% of base price, $67 for the HOA fee, and there is 51 home sites available in this community. All right, let's walk in. You're gonna have pavers in front of your garage, desert landscaping, very low maintenance, especially in Las Vegas. And here we go. You have a covered porch area. You put seating right here if you guys want to camp out in your front yard. AC units look like they're on the outside to the right. All right, let's walk in. All right, so when you walk in, you have 9-foot ceilings, upgraded flooring. You have a section right here for your dining area. In front of us is the living area, second floor staircase. And then right here to the left, this is where we're gonna start. So when you walk right here to the right, you have under staircase, coat closet and storage. You have nice countertops and cabinets right here for display. To the left is your garage door access. And then to the right of that, this is converted into an office currently. You would have French doors right here, but this can be converted into also a additional bedroom. Currently, they converted this just into an office. Beautiful selection of furniture. I love the way that they staged this home, actually. Large window to see your neighbors. Here's an empty lot right next door. And then you have one of your bathrooms. This is a half bath, white on white, white shaker cabinets. Beautifully done. All right, we're gonna walk towards the main room. Here's your dining area. This dining area seats 6 people. I'll give you guys a view from this corner. Now this is a 3,000 square foot home, 2-story. It's fairly large. I mean, if you have a big family, this would be very spacious, a lot of room to walk around. Okay, as we enter into the living room area, it's sectioned off with the living room right there, dining, and then kitchen. Let's start off in the kitchen. Here in the kitchen area, you have a large island right in the middle. You have 3 bar stools right up front. I think this is one of my favorite kitchens I've seen in a while. You have the off-white quartz countertop, black hardware, white shaker cabinets with the stainless steel appliances. And you have large upper cabinets. These look like about 46 inches. You have the stainless steel undermount sink right here, black hardware, large window that overlooks your backyard, lots of counter space, beautiful upgraded backsplash. And these have been becoming really popular with the countertop burners without the oven combo right below. So this is just storage for other things. Then you have a stainless steel hood right above. And here on the island, normally you would have like either a sink or your dishwasher, but this one is just all cabinets, which is nice. They have your dishwasher on the side, and then they also have all the appliances to the other. Built-in microwave, built-in oven are right here. You have the fridge right there. That's not going to be included. Here's your pantry. So these ones actually have doors compared to the other model, it didn't. Now, if you agree that this is a beautiful kitchen, hit that like button. All right, and here's your dining area. Seats 6 people. Let me give you guys a pan view, left to right. And really quick, I'd like to remind you, if you find value and enjoy these home tours, please consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a like, tap that notification bell. This way it helps us grow the channel. Here's your living room area. Large sectional, you got a large coffee table right in front. You have a pre-wire for your fan right above. 2 large windows right here. And I'm gonna give you guys a view from this corner of the home. You notice that there are 2 entrances to your backyard. So this 4-panel sliding door, this would be your upgrade. It would likely come standard with the 2 sliding doors right there. So just letting you know that this would more than likely be a wall if you did it without it. But let's go look at the backyard, because this is what sold me on this home. Aside from the home being so large, is the backyard. There's a lot of families that love big backyards, and this is one of the communities that has it. You have a covered patio right here, right above. You got 2 fans, have pavers in the covered patio section. You have 2 sections where you can lounge, or you could eat and dine right there. Here's the beautiful backyard. Artificial grass, desert landscaping will not be included, but here's the inspiration. You can have a fire pit right here in front. You can put a pool here in the backyard. You can even do a gazebo style like that right across. But there's so much space back here. We'll leave it to your imagination to create something beautiful. Here's the view from this side. This is what the home looks like from the backyard. If you guys love large backyards, comment that below. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas today. We just hit about 100 degrees. All right, let's walk back into the home. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos I do on this channel, guys. I'd love to hear some feedback. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, and I'll always try to improve my videos for you. Okay, now that we're finished with the first floor, let's go up to the second. Okay, we're gonna walk to the second floor. Upgraded hand railings right here, carpeted on the staircase. Beautiful high ceilings. I love this art wall right here. It's beautifully done. Okay, so as we get to the top of the stairs, I'm gonna give you guys a pan. I'll start off when you come to the top of the stairs, we're gonna make a right. Here's your full bathroom. Your first full bath upstairs. You have a dual countertop sink. So this is your shower tub combo. Beautiful backsplash combo right there. Your tub, white quartz countertop with the white shaker cabinets and the black hardware. Always a perfect combination. And directly across that, you have one of your bedrooms. This is a large bedroom. This is not your standard 10 by 10 size. All right. And then here's the other bedroom. All right, and then walking back towards the hallway to the left, right here is their laundry room. Here's your utility panel box, washer dryer not included. These are beautiful. You got the stackable washer dryer. They're definitely not included. You got the upper cabinets right here. And you have this countertop with the sink. This doesn't come standard. You do get a window right here that oversees your community. Now let's go to the last bedroom on this side of the house. Or you also get a closet right here for your linen. And this is your third bedroom with a walk-in closet. Okay, look at this walk-in closet. Fairly decent size. A little wall right there for extra space. Nicely done. This is probably one of my favorite Richmond American floor plans so far. All right, and then here in front of us is your loft area. Now this loft area is optional. You can change this into a bedroom to make this a 6-bedroom house. So downstairs office plus these 3 is 4. Your 5th if you decide to change this out to a bedroom, and then a 6th bedroom for your primary. But so far, they've done a really nice job right here as a loft. You have a large sectional right there, medium-sized coffee table, TV display and shelf right here. All right, and then walking into the primary bedroom. This is a huge bedroom. King-size bed, oversized nightstands. I love the accent wall. This accent wall won't come like that. You'll only get your standard neutral paint like that. And check out this bathroom. Beautiful design. You got the white countertops, black hardware, white on white. Look at how they've done this bathroom. This is a stand-up walk-in super shower. So you have a glass right here, tile flooring. You have this step up, and then subway tiles in the backsplash. When you step up in here, you step down and get into the shower. You get that rain head, that overhead rain head shower right above. Very, very nice. And then you have those 3 little box windows right there. If you guys like the shower, let me know. I love this super shower design. What do you guys think? You guys feeling it? Hexagon tile flooring. And then check this out. You have 2 separate his and hers walk-in closets. So you can pick and choose. But here's the first one. All upgraded. Get all that space. Okay. Carpet in the area. And if you don't like this one, you can choose this walk-in closet instead. I mean, they're both fairly the same size, but depending which side you want to take. Okay. And then you have your toilet room, a private toilet room right here as well. Get a window, overlooks your backyard. What do you guys think, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour. And if you guys did like this video, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on our next home tour. Till then, see you guys.